Escambia County teachers, and welcome to another Byte of Tech. Today, we're going to be diving into the Excused Grades report. Before we get started, let's review that navigation. You can use your sidebar menu to go to Reports, Grades, then Gradebook Reports, or go ahead and click Reports in the top right if you're already in your gradebook. When reviewing the Excused Grades report, you'll see all students who have been excused from an assignment. These are students that you entered an ABX or EX for the grade in the gradebook. And if you look, you'll have student name, assignment name, points, and you'll see it has an asterisk since it's excluded, that grade code that was used, comments if you've entered any, and you also have the ability to add comments straight from this report if needed. Just make sure if you add or edit any notes that you select Save. You'll also have the assigned and due date for that assignment. If you need to include inactive students, go ahead and select the checkbox in the top right. It's important to remember when running gradebook reports, it's going to be based on the quarter and section that you've selected in the top right. As always, thanks for joining us. Be sure to select the bell icon to be notified when new content is released.